In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Spotify password on phone. Changing the password of your Spotify is not an option that is visible on the app of Spotify. You'll need to head to the support page of Spotify in order to change your password. Now, before you get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. From the home screen of Spotify, tap on the settings icon on the top right and then scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll see an option of support. You can tap on that and it will open up a web browser. There you'll need to log into your Spotify account first, and after you log into your account, you'll simply need to search for a reset password and then tap on the first option, which is can't reset password, and then scroll down a bit and then tap on reset your password. Now all you need to do is enter in your email address or the username of your Spotify, and then you can tap on send. Now a password reset link will be sent to your email address. Head over to your email. You can see I've received the email. Now simply tap on reset password. Now from here you can create your password and then repeat it and tap on send. If you found this video to be useful, then share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.